Epstein with your morning flash update for this Wednesday, the 23rd of March, 2022, just after 8:15 a.m. I almost said there p.m. Central Time. Now, I do want to remind you that tomorrow, Thursday, at 12:15 p.m., I will open up the webinar. Yes, I'm holding a live webinar. It's free to attend. And you get to ask their questions on stock indices, any of the futures markets, ETFs, individual stocks. Now, a lot of you have already done what I ask. You register. If you didn't get the invite, it means that you're not on my mailing list. What do? Take your cursor right now, put it up here. Just put it up there. You'll see the icon appear. It'll stay there throughout the video. Fill it out. Once you do so, you will be sent back your registration, including your user ID and your password. There's a link in that. If you want to write me questions of things you want me to cover, I'll get them done. I've had a bunch of them already, so we'll get that done for you. All right. Today is one of those days where I've been writing my investment letter and telling people that I think today's a day where the stock market's going to try to display weakness. Now, it's only 8:15 in the morning. It does not mean I'm right, but you're starting to get there. For those of you that looked at the end of the day wrap-up, you know why I'm saying that. It's crystal clear. It's not a secret. You're into key resistance areas. And I'm watching the gold market today, too. I want to see if that pops over the 1956 level. If it does, I think it's legit and it's on its way up. I like the dollar today. I think most currencies are going to back off throughout the course of the day. We're due for a little bit of a bounce in the bonds and the notes. It's been so one-sided to the upside. Energy markets not breaking back at all. Now, there's reasons for this, and let's see if I can get to them and try to get them to come up here. Here we go. Russia. I'm going to start at the bottom, okay? President Putin decreed that Russia will move to ruble payment when selling gas to non-friendly countries. Now, I would assume non-friendly means every NATO country. In fact, there's only 4 friends: Iran, Venezuela, China, Cuba. There we go. Those are the friends. I think everybody else is non-friendly. And he's ordered Gazprom to make this change of the contract right now and gave the Russian Central Bank a week to address it. I'll give you a crazy move on this. The Russian ambassador to Indonesia today said that President Putin will attend the G20 meeting. Can you believe it? I'd love him to attend. Can you imagine what will happen there? All right. The U.S. MBA mortgage market headline, look at all these numbers are declines. You would expect that. Interest rates have been on a tear. You're pushing 2.4% on the 10-year note. That means mortgage rates have gone up, and yes, people will chase them, but they'll wait for breaks and then they'll come in. We get the homes sales data today for February. It's expected to be up a fraction. We get U.S. petroleum stock numbers at 9:30 today. Also today, there's something else that's going to be going on. We get the different chip makers making a plea to the Senate for money. They want to build more plants. They want subsidies. I, for one, am very pro that. However, there's got to be a payback. They want my money, taxpayer money, to do it. I'm all for it. It makes America not worry about what's built in Taiwan and all these other places. However, how do we get our money back? That will be the trick to it. Am I for bringing that home? You betcha. We've seen enough of this where we don't depend on ourselves. I don't want to pull a curtain up around America. That's not what I'm saying. But this idea that we can't build an automobile because we don't have chips, we can't build more appliances, nonsense with all this. We're the strongest country in the world. Let's do it. Again, to attend the webinar tomorrow, all you need to do is take your cursor, push it right up to the top there. You'll see the icon, fill it out. I'll talk to you at the end of the day wrap-up. You have a great trading day today.